I need you to stop making excuses for you. I need you to stop making excuses for us. I need you to stop making excuses for why you aren't where you want to be or why you haven't even started moving in that direction. I need you to stop telling me what's on your plate, and I need you to stop telling me about all the obstacles as if I don't know they exist or as if they disappeared now that you call them out. I need you to stop looking at all the negatives and all the times that you've failed already and all the times that you weren't who you were supposed to be, because we don't need that. We need you. We need the best version of you, the one that's confident, moves with purpose, knows what they want. We need you.